Right.
Okay, so 4.1.4. Yo, sorry, 4.1.3. 4.1.3. So the question says, determine his annual tax credit for him and his 3 children. Determine his annual medical credit for him and his 3 children. So it's for him and his 3 children. So that means there are 4 of them on this medical credit, right? So let's look at the medical credit column. It says the taxpayer is 364 Rand per month. The first dependent is 364 Rand per month, and each additional dependent is 246 Rand per month. So for him, he's the taxpayer, so it's going to be 346 Rand per month. Sorry, it's 364. Sorry, it's 364 per month. And the first, you see, he has 3 children. So the first children here, the first child will be a first dependent. So the first dependent credit is the same as the taxpayer credit, right? So it's going to be 364 plus 364 for the first dependent. And then we have left with 2 additional dependents, so which is 246 plus 246. So this is him, this is first dependent, and 2 children. So we are going to get 1,220 of this, and then since it's per month, we're going to multiply it by 12, because the question says they want annual medical credits, right? And then we're going to get 14,640. We're going to get 14,640 on this question, right?